Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you an eye makeup look that is perfect for your big day or a special event. I know a lot of you brides out there are not able to have your full glam squad with you because of all this COVID craziness. So I wanted to show you a look that you can do for your special day. It's super easy and very sparkly and fun. I also am going to be trying out magnetic lashes for the first time, and you will be getting my honest review. I'll wear them for today and let you know how I feel tonight when I take them off. So don't forget, before you head off this page, to like, subscribe, comment below, and follow us on social media. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the Night Drama palette by Bobbi Brown. So I'm going to be doing a subtle smoky eye today with a little bit of sparkle. I'll show you all the colors I'm going to be using. This nude color, the light brown, and then the dark brown, and also a little bit of sparkle. You can see that one's well loved. So I'm taking the looser end of my brush and applying a lot of the nude color. And I will just apply this all over my eyelid. Next I'm using the darker brown, and I'm putting this in my crease. So I'll start on the outer edge and go a little bit into my crease using a windshield wiper like motion, and I'll do the same to the other eye. And then I'll get the blending or looser side of the brush and blend it all out. Okay, now I'm taking my darkest color brown and putting this in the very outer edge, being a little bit more conservative with this one and making sure not to bring it too much towards the middle of my eye. This can really make it look dark and kind of scary. And then again, blending just a little bit in and also up and out. You want to create a V at the outer edge of your eye, and it can almost be angled a little bit up. This just helps to open your eye up and make them seem a lot bigger than they are. Okay, so next is the sparkle, which is really fun. You can use a brush for this, but I also love using my forefinger. So I will just get my forefinger, rub it around on that specific shade, and put it on the very innermost part of my eye, blending it out towards the middle of my eyelid. And then you can blend it down a little bit if you like a little bit more sparkle. So that is it for my eyeshadow. It is super simple and is a perfect soft glam look for any bride. So next I'm going to be doing my eyeliner and false eyelashes. Today I'm going to be using the magnetic lashes and the eyeliner. I've never used these before, so I'm super excited to try them out. I will wear them for all of today and then check back in with you guys tonight and let you know how I've liked them. So they give you a specific little eyeliner and they say to put 3 different coats on. So I will start doing that, and you have to let them dry in between. So here goes nothing. So I applied a little bit more eyeliner than I usually would, but I'm just hoping that the eyelashes are going to stick especially well. I wonder how much it is. This is crazy. So depending on your eye shape, you may want to trim up the false eyelashes a little bit. You can just take your scissors and trim off the edge. You want to do the outside. My eye shape is a little bit bigger, so I didn't have to trim them, but if your eye shape is a little bit smaller, you may want to do so. Okay, so I have the false eyelashes on my upper lashes, and I'm just going to be applying a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes just so that they don't disappear. Okay, so I'll be honest with y'all, right now it doesn't look how I would want it to perfectly. So I am going to add a little bit of a wing to my eye, just the outer edge, with my regular eyeliners. So that's the Stella Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner. Okay, so I just finished my eyeliner, and this is the finished look for my bridal eye makeup. Okay, so update on the magnetic lashes. I wore them all day and then just took them off and washed my face. I think they worked really well. They were super easy to apply, which is amazing if you're a bride and are doing your own makeup for your big day. I will definitely be using them again in the future. Honestly, I can't say that they were amazing or terrible, but like I said, I'll be using them again in the future. So if you gals try them, please let us know. We want to see pictures and we want to hear how you like them down in the comments. A couple of things, just tips that I want to recommend to you all if you do end up trying them. One, make sure that you do put on your eyeliner a little bit thicker than you usually would. This way they'll have plenty of area to kind of grip to. And then 2, it suggests that you put 3 layers of eyeliner on. And when I first looked at it, I was like, that might be kind of excessive, but I did it and I feel like it really made a difference. So try that out as well. Thanks, girls. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are getting married soon, best wishes. We're so excited for you here at Effortless Beauty, and we hope that your day is just all that you dreamed it would be.